Prepare to hit the road for Memorial Day weekend. The Georgia Department of Transportation, along with the Governor's Office of Highway Safety, urge drivers to put safety first.
41 NBC's Andrew Willis spoke with local and state law enforcement to find out how you can help keep the roads safe this weekend.
Have an intent of getting where you're going safely. Have a plan to be there safely.
Plan ahead. That's the message from Georgia law enforcement as drivers prepare to travel for Memorial Day weekend. According to Lieutenant Scott Davis with the Bibb County Sheriff's Office, taking time to look over your route and having safety precautions in place can significantly reduce the risk of a car accident. He says make sure your vehicle is properly maintained before traveling to ensure not only your safety, but the safety of other drivers as well.
Make sure your tires are properly inflated, make sure your coolant is properly filled, make sure your windshield wipers are working and they're in good condition, because you want your vehicle to be working properly so that it doesn't leave you on the side of the road.
Commissioner of the Department of Public Safety, Colonel Chris Wright, says if you plan to drink, don't drive. He says Georgia State Patrol will be on the lookout for intoxicated drivers and recommends using a rideshare service.
There's a lot of options out there, and we just want people to think about those options and make sure they make those plans ahead of time, whether they're going to sleep over somewhere or designate a driver or find an additional ride to get back to their destination.
The Georgia Department of Transportation also recommends you maintain a safe driving distance between your vehicle and other drivers, use hands-free technology, and most importantly, always wear a seatbelt. Lieutenant Davis says most accidents can be avoided by simply paying attention to the road and being courteous to other drivers.
Be respectful of other people on the roads. You got traffic control devices, which is a lane, which is your yield signs, your stop signs, your traffic signals. Just obey them and avoid any tragedies that could happen and have lasting effects beyond this weekend.
In Macon, Andrew Willis, 41 NBC News.